Welcome to the Solstice model in Valencia Sky in Naples. This is the largest home offered in Valencia Sky. It is a 3-bedroom plus den plus loft 4-bath home. You notice as you enter the home, you've got a nice, bright, spacious bedroom with great closet space. Nice laundry room. We'll go upstairs in a minute, but let's just look at the main living area. You've got a little separate dining room, island. Of course, you'll see a lot of upgrades in here, including the cabinets that go all the way to the top. The sliders add a lot of light, and it's a really nice little outdoor area, which of course can be extended, and you could have a pool if you wanted. This is an open, spacious area here. Then off to the master bedroom. It's always great to have a first floor master bedroom. This one is good size with great closets. And again, the closet systems are an upgrade. Most everything you see in the model homes are an upgrade. But it's nice to see the design features that you can add. Great master bath, dual sinks, a little vanity area, large shower, extra cabinets there. Okay, heading to the second floor. Immediately upon entering the second floor, you have a really nice loft space. Can be used for a variety of things. I love the way it's set up here with just an extra living room for guests or kids. Really nice bedroom. Again, lots of windows, which bring in a lot of light. This one is en suite, has its own full bath. Nice walk-in closet in this bedroom. Love the way this bedroom is set up. So what do you think? What do you think of the Solstice model? Let me know if you have any questions about this model or any of the homes in Valencia Sky. Have a great day.